about us, be about trust.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Abby from soulfulabby, and I like to make videos about home, fashion, beauty, so much more. Please like, comment, and subscribe. So today's video, I have a current favorites hygiene edition, and I'm filming like 9 products that I really haven't been enjoying in my hygiene routine. So let's get started. So the first product I have is this Nivea Refreshing Body Wash in Basil and White Tea. And it looks like this. It smells kind of like herbal, kind of like an Aveda spa, what you'd expect that to smell like. I got this because I wanted the Necessaire body wash. I had seen a few influencers with that body wash, and I wanted to get it. And I wanted to pick it up at the Sephora sale, but my cart was already too big and I had to, you know, budget. So I took that out, and I found this at like my local Walmart, Kroger grocery store, and I really enjoy this. I think it's non-stripping, but my skin feels clean, so I really enjoy this Nivea Basil and White Tea body wash. And I also like trying more, I don't want to say like masculine scents, but less like fruity scents, because I want to explore those as well, because all my life I've kind of done like the fruity, clean, those scents, floral scents in the past. So I'm expanding my scent profile. So this Nivea Refreshing Body Wash, she's a favorite so far. So next thing I have is a Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle body wash, and it looks like this. This is like $2.99 or $3.99 from my local Trader Joe's. What I enjoy about this is, like the shampoo where you feel the tingle on your scalp, this you feel the tingle on your skin. I really enjoy this product. I don't know if I would suggest this for like everyday wash and clean, because I'm not saying it's stripping, but it's a little bit more of like a deep clean. So yeah, so I just use this. I instantly feel the tingle. I enjoy this, and yeah, so this is pretty good. And it has a peppermint scent, like a peppermint scent. So this is like a peppermint scent to it. The next product I have are exfoliating products. And my exfoliating products are these exfoliating gloves, and they look like this. I got this from my local grocery store as well. I like this on my body. I would say there's a couple disadvantages to these. I don't think these get like super clean. I feel like the dead skin kind of stays in them. I know it sounds kind of nasty, but after using these for like maybe a month, I think these have to be kind of rotated and thrown out more quickly. Also, if you put like a scrub on this, like a sugar scrub or like an exfoliating bead in this, the gloves will absorb the exfoliating sugars, and it won't like scrub your skin, if that makes sense. So these are good. So I would just use regular body wash on these, and then like rub it like as if I just put body wash on my hand, rub like that. But I never put body wash on my hands. I use like a loofah or a rag or wash rag. So that's that. The next product I have is this Tree Hut Tropic Glow Firming Sugar Scrub, and it looks like this. Now, so many people on YouTube and TikTok love Tree Hut. I don't know why I keep saying Tree Hut. And they will have containers and containers of this like in their shower routines with like Bath and Body Works and all these lotions. And I'm not hating the game, like do what you want, because they take their shower routines quite seriously. But I only have one of these, and I'm using this up, and I really enjoy it. What I like about this is it scrubs my body, and it leaves like a little oil residue, so my skin is so hydrated even after rinsing it off. So I really enjoy this. Now the next thing I have is this. It's the Tree Hut Tropic Glow Firming Whipped Shea Butter. So I have this, the scrub, in the whipped shea butter. Now This product has been so popular. And you want to know why? It's because people think this is a dupe for the Bum Bum cream. The Brazilian Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum cream. Folks think that, like the original scent in orange, this smells like a dupe of that. I would say this has like a little bit of a nuttier, slightly smidge more artificial scent to it, but it is quite moisturizing. It is quite thick. Well, not super thick. Like, to be honest, I'm a black girl, so I like my thick lotions. The Bum Bum cream to me was a little wasn't thick enough and could be a little drying. Like, you would put it on and then a couple hours later I felt like my back was cracking, like I needed to put something on top of that. This I feel like I can use well enough on its own in the summertime. I don't know about the wintertime because we're not in the wintertime, but in the summertime I feel like this is a fine hydrating product. And given the similarity in the scent and the price point, I would not buy the original Sol de Janeiro. Again, I would just stick with this dupe because it's more product and it's a quarter of the price. This is $8.99, and I think the full size one from the Bum Bum cream is like $30, $40. So this is perfectly fine. This is a great dupe alternative. Not exactly, but very similar. Very similar. You might not even be able to tell the difference. The next product I have, funny enough, is a Sol de Janeiro Bum Dia Bright Cream, and it looks like this in the orange container. I have the mini size. I really like this as a lotion. Honestly, I don't know about any of the brightening factors and the brightening claims that this product claims to have. I don't necessarily feel like I can tell a difference, but I do like the scent. It smells jasmine-y, vanilla-y, kind of like wildflowers and fruity. So I really have been enjoying this. I really hope that Tree Hut makes a dupe of this product in their whipped shea butter as well, because I enjoy this. If you guys know of any dupes of this product, let me know down below in the comments. I'm gonna finish up some of my other like lotion products, but I won't be buying the full size of this, even though I want to, because I'm just gonna like wait out for a dupe, because lotions, you just go through them so quickly. The next product I have is this Kosas Sport Supreme Clean Chemistry AHA Serum Deodorant, like this. So this is a deodorant, and I mentioned this in my Sephora haul. What people like about this deodorant is it's all natural, and they say that this will help lighten and soothe underarms if you suffer, I don't know if it's suffer, but like if you have dark underarms, because shaving sometimes can irritate like the pigment of your hair, causing the pigment of like the hair and the skin, making your armpits appear darker than like the rest of your skin tone. I don't necessarily know if I can talk about the brightening claims, because I haven't really, to be honest, noticed anything different. I guess my skin tone seems to be staying the same, but I do like this for an indoor natural deodorant. I like that it's liquid, and I like that it's roll-on. I would purchase this again. I don't think this is the best for outdoor. The packaging of the container would make it easy to like throw in your purse or your bag if you wanted to, but it's not like the best like outdoor, you don't be smelling stank. I wouldn't necessarily suggest this for that. The next product I have, also in the smell good category, would be this scent combination, and it's the Daisy Love from Marc Jacobs and the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Body Splash. I like using these together when I take a shower at night. Because this is like a splash, it doesn't last that long, and Marc Jacobs perfumes, they're good, but they don't necessarily last too long unless you get like the intense version. A lot of them also tend to be like toilettes. But I do enjoy this combination together. I think this nuttiness of this brings out like the warmness of this, and the floral notes, the sweetness is very kind of like tropical, sexy, and I like it for the summertime. It's a very good combination, these two perfumes and fragrances. And then finally, the last product I have is this Clean Reserve. And I got this from the Sephora kit. It's the Clean Reserve scent in warm cotton. I really enjoyed this. This is a clean scent. It lasts a little longer than I would anticipate, given it just lasts longer than I thought it would. Because a lot of people say that clean fragrances, like the reviews, people say it doesn't last that long. It is a subtle scent. It does smell like just like clean laundry, but I kind of sometimes like that for my daytime scents, just in the house, going about town. So this clean warm cotton is a really good one. I think I'm going to use my Sephora like free fragrance voucher to pick up this. So that is it, y'all. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my current favorites hygiene edition. What are some of your current favorite hygiene products? Let me know down below in the comment section. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video, and I hope to be back soon with more videos and more greatness. Woot woot. Y'all, please like, comment, and subscribe. Later.